Hello friends, I'm going to show you today how to make a paper boat which you can float in the bathtub or in the rain. You take a piece of paper and fold it like this, and then you take a middle of the paper like that and fold half side and the other half join it in the middle. Then you take this upper layer and fold it on the top, and same thing on the other side, fold the bottom layer on the other side. Now you open this. Actually this becomes like a cap also. You can use this for a cap or keep going for the boat. You can fold it like this. It becomes a square, and then you take the upper layer again and make a triangle shape like this, and the other side on the other side, fold it on the other side. It becomes a triangle. Now you have it open end right like that. Take the open end and fold it again. It becomes a square, and you take both sides. See, this is the open end and this is a closed end. You take top of this and open it. Can go like this, and then you open the bottom so that your boat can lay down flat on the water. And there is a trick to make it stronger. If you have a bigger paper, you can use a bigger paper. This is 8 by 10. You can use 16 by 20 or bigger. And then what you can do is, instead of opening right here, I'll show you another one. Fold it, fold it other side, open. And now if you don't want to open because it will be a single layer boat, you can fold it again, just like both the triangles on the different sides. The boat will become smaller, but it will be stronger. And you open it. So you can keep on going if you have a bigger paper, like a newspaper. But newspaper soak water, so it's better to take the other paper which doesn't soak water. So this boat will be more stable than this one. Here you go. We have a boat ready to sail. You can paint it, or you can add a sailing flag, and you can play with it as much as you can. Thank you. Thank you for watching.